Hi guys, today I will offer you a wonderful and effective recipe to eliminate dark spots and dead skin that causes blackness. Stay with me to learn about the ingredients of the recipe and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So, we need a spoonful of flour and spoonful of starch. And we also need a teaspoon of food soda or baking powder and a little of shampoo or shower gel. We also need a little of lemon or orange and some drops of rose water. Mix well, then apply it on the dark areas for 10 or 15 minutes. After 10 minutes, we scrub the area and wash it with the water. And the recipe is repeated twice a week. Thank you guys for watching. To see more, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video.